Okay, so we're in Macau. We got a shrine right here, and we're gonna be walking down this little alley right in here, and we got an overpass, so we're not too far from the border. So let me kind of give you a little idea of where we are. Teatro Brito over there. Okay, British theater. And then this is a little temple right here. So we're gonna go behind this and go down that direction. So stay tuned. Hey, check out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so we're gonna walk down this way. We're starting at that little temple, and we have an alley right in here too with this little thing right there. And then we got, that's the border that goes all the way up that direction right there, and an overpass right here. And we're basically kind of documenting some of the city, letting people kind of see what Macau looks like. And we kind of got some interesting stuff in here anyways. I mean, you got like a nice interesting billboard right there, and then you got this kind of wall of apartments. What we're gonna do is just walk through this little seemingly alley. I think this will have a street. We're kind of near a toy sign. We're kind of near the border. And it's kind of interesting because there's, you know, like the density of Macau is kind of cool. I like the fact that it's so dense, the usage of space. And then there's all these, you know, kind of little cubby hole stuff, you know, just kind of random. Well, I'm just gonna follow it along. There's otters. And we're kind of near Tamagnini, Barbosa. So I think I'm gonna walk in here, and I don't think that this is a walk-through area. I think it's gonna come to a dead end, I think. Yeah, I think so. But so we're in Tamagnini, Barbosa. We got a little hospital right in here, and I think unless we can go through here, no, we can't. But we could go up there. Let's do that. So you got all these associations here. The Nanan Luodong, I don't even know what that is, but there's a China flag, so I'm gonna guess it's an association from China, from some kind of certain people from the mainland China. And the associations just kind of help them put money together and kind of create like a community, sort of, you know, centered around a certain focus. So I think this is kind of Tamagnini Barbosa, but what I'm going to do is come around like this, and then we're coming out at another street, and that goes right to the border, straight down that way. So what I'm going to do here is we're going to walk down this road a little ways, and then we're going to see how where we started at is connected, because I think there's a small road up here where the red light is at, and this is basically a little tributary that we started at up here. So we give you a little idea of how it's all connected. America, Chicago, Bird's Nest City. There's a little thing right there. It says Bird's Nest, like Chinese medicine. It's interesting that it says, I think I kind of want to explore that, but this is basically where we were just at. And I think this is all part of Tamagnini Barbosa. Just kind of see, we'll take a look real quick. So in a minute, so we started basically right over there, and then this is like this little plaza in this area. So I think what I want to do real quick is I just want to check out this America Chicago Bird's Nest out of plain curiosity. This one right here. So I think it's basically Chinese medicine. And it's right there, you can kind of see it right there. So we're gonna go over there and take a look. So we're gonna wait until the traffic is clear, and yeah, that goes directly to the border, and we're gonna capture this, look all the way down, and that goes south, southern direction. So that's what we're gonna focus on, that America Chicago Bird's Nest. We're gonna see what it's all about. And now we got our green light now, so we can go across. If you're curious, we're on this street. Old CTM phone booths. They're so obsolete now. And then this one right here, okay, let's see what it says. And I think it's just basically, okay, so they got like Chinese medicine basically. And different stuff as well. Okay, so I guess it's kind of more of a marketing gimmick. Prices are like $6.68. That's mostly used for Chinese medicine, but they got a little bit of everything in here. Brightening mask. Bakery. Okay. So we're basically kind of around the border a little bit. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back to our Target Street. And I was just kind of curious what that was. And I'm also just kind of giving you an idea kind of what Macau looks like as well. It's another association right there. Oh no, Chinese medicine clinic. So yep. I guess we can get across now. So we are going to go back down. That's the Chinese medicine clinic to the left. Caritas. Caritas is also kind of for like special needs and things like that. So I think we're in Tamagnini, Barbosa, I believe is where we're at. There's another clinic there. And what I'm gonna do is kind of come through here, go to the left a little bit, and just kind of highlight this little street, this area. This is an area I don't very often go to, so, but it is kind of interesting area. They got a playground right there. More clinic as well, and then just kind of a wall of apartments everywhere in this space. Feels like we got a thunderstorm coming on. So yeah, we basically have this giant wall of apartments right here, which is kind of interesting. And the playground right in the middle of it all. So I think what I'm gonna do is just kind of come back out into the main area here. And I'm gonna try to see if I can identify the street. We got small little parking here. These are like little incinerators right here. This purple one and that green one. So you can put all your waste as well in here. And then this is the street that we started at. Let's see. We're gonna just come down a little bit. So we got another one of these shrines right here as well. And then this is where our starting street is at. Okay, so let's go back to the main street here. So this is where we started at. I don't know the name of the street. I think it's called Tamagnini Barbosa, but, or I think the cross street is. Yeah, this right here is called Avenida de Artur, Tamagnini Barbosa. So that's, so I think that this one might be like, well, nonetheless, this is what we just filmed today. And it's off of Tamagnini Barbosa. So I think we're gonna end it right there. And that other, so we got one shrine right here. And I think what we're gonna do is just come back and just come back to the other one real quick. I guess this is called the barrio, the Tamagnini Barbosa neighborhood. It's basically what it's called. So we basically just went into that neighborhood. So we're just gonna walk back out. This kind of gives you some ideas of where we are exactly. Border, straight ahead. Catholic church is that way. Temple is down that way. Ox warehouse. So yeah, we'll just call this the Tamagnini Barbosa neighborhood. I guess that's the best way to call it. And we'll come back out here again. And then that's kind of the ending part, this temple right here. So it's also kind of a special time of year right now. So you also got that right there, and you got that right there. So let's end it right here. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.